Maybe snow tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey, Papa. Can you pull your pants up? That's hilarious. Papa, I can still see your undies. Yeah. My gosh. This is warm. Oh, this is so warm.
Don't get burnt now.
I'm not. I'm just standing next to the fire. This feels good.
Got that milk. Okay.
Is that hot?
Oh, yeah, that's right. I got that yellow one there. Good night.
Good night.
Love y'all. Love you.
Love you too. I'm not.